Did you know that we literally live in what Bob Proctor says, an ocean of motion? Every single thing moves. Every single thing is vibrating. Nothing, absolutely nothing rests. It is all there for you to explore and make and connect to the frequency and that which you desire. It's all about vibration and frequency. Your thoughts, your beliefs, your mindset really, when you really grasp what you should be doing in your life to match frequencies, get on the correct vibration, it works, and it's really nice to get in that groove. But what you must understand, every single thing is vibrating. The phone you're holding, the chair you're sitting in, maybe you're sitting in your car, the trees, every single thing. You could put your hand straight through a wall. If you matched the frequency to the wall, then you could pass right through it. See, understanding all of these aspects of our existence is so crucial, because if you do not get this, your life will never change. Understand this, no metaphysical teacher ever talks about this. They always talk about how to manifest, how to do this to get what you want. Here's the truth. You are already constantly manifesting every single thing into your life. If you didn't, and if you were not doing this, you simply would not exist. You would not exist. So think about that for a second. You're already doing it. At every single moment, you are doing it, or you would not exist. What you need to do, match the frequency, the vibration. How do you do that? Through imaginative acts, through your imagination. How do you really dig down into the subconscious and trick the subconscious? Through meditation. I have a guided meditation right there in the description. Grab it, it will freaking change your life. This is how you make the shift internally happen instantly. As soon as you get in that centered space, you have shifted to alternate timelines. You've entered the quantum realm where all possibilities exist. Use the free meditation. It's up to you to do the work, stay in alignment with your goals, take action in the real world, in this 3D reality, in this existence that we are creating at every moment. Just keep centered and moving forward through that centeredness, focusing on your true goals. That is it. Yes, it's that easy. Most of us cannot do this. And I remember when I struggled with this so much, I learned all this information about consciousness and existence and the metaphysical world. And what it really did was make me more, it kept me stuck in my paradigm. It made me, I hate even thinking about it because it just feels wrong to think about it. But I must express this to you. I was continually waiting. I was thinking that all of the knowledge and just me having this knowledge was enough to change my timeline, to change my path. It is not. You must take action. What I started doing was working out, taking care of my nutrition. I was really dibble-dabbling in that spirituality, but I never meditated. I never did any of that stuff. I didn't think it worked. I thought it was stupid, honestly. And what that was my egotistical mind that was stuck in the past, that was stuck in my, conditioning, keeping me safe from changing. The first time I meditated and really got through, I made the breakthrough, and I learned that it makes me really relive that moment. And that moment was so beautiful. It allowed me to see the true I am. And I did not like it. I was so upset for so long I didn't even meditate again. My gift that I gave to myself was completely denying my ego, what that internal voice was trying to tell me, just to keep me safe. I completely denied him, and it was so freaking hard, and I meditated and I pushed through it. And the more I pushed through it, the more of my subconscious programming kept coming up. It kept coming up, and it kept showing me all of these things that I was not happy with, that I did not like, that I did not desire. Back then, I had no idea it was this easy. The stuff that I teach you now is from years of trial and error. Back then, I handled them one by one through shadow work, through integration, and I chunked it out little by little. But what I did not know, which, oh my God, huge piece of advice. If you will just allow all those things to be, instead of pulling them towards you and integrating, handling them, changing the timeline, putting a different emotion towards that experience that you had in the past, which isn't even real. I didn't know that at the time. There is only now. All of those things in the past are happening right now. Everything.